In my office here at the Hachar Law Group, we cannot go one day without coffee.
Okay, we're gonna make some cafecito.
So you pack that up?
All the way to the top. Lock it in there. Next we've got the water. We gotta put it in our little handy dandy tacita.
So what's this next step here?
10 pumitas. I do about 5, but it depends on the day. We're gonna scoop this up. There you go. When the sound starts,
Yeah.
like cafecito. At the speed of light. There you go. It's like creamy. So now we wait for the rest of the coffee to be ready to put it in.
Oh man.
You gotta make sure that sugar on the bottom doesn't stay there. That's the key to the espuma. And it's not coffee if it doesn't have espuma. We're scooping the espuma to
Why?
make sure that everybody gets some.
Coffee in the Latin culture unites people. Even if we are in this office and we're in a conference room doing mediation with opposing side, and we bring coffee, there's smiles on people's face. And that makes all the difference. The power of Cafecito, you cannot underestimate it.
¿El café qué tal? A ver.
Coffee breaks up the day, it improves productivity. In this office, we love Cafecito.